Hello people, today is our day one. I'm so pumped up for this video because we are doing 100 days walk challenge. Walk. Pum, 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 pum. We're walking for 100 days. Now, what is the benefit of walking? But let me tell you the history first. This idea wasn't my idea originally. It was an idea from one of my mommies, Mommy Augusta Okoye. Sometimes I forget her name because I love her so much that sometimes I forget her name. I call her mommy. Now, she's a fitness coach. She's also a member of Live Good, but she is a fitness coach. So she's a founder of Fit 5G. So in our group, she said we're going to do 100 days walk challenge. And I said, okay, I'll do. But a day before, I was taking my protein shake, Live Good protein shake. As I was taking my protein shake, I decided that why not use it for Live Good too. I announced it on my Live Good team that we're going to do 100 days work challenge. And here we have started this challenge today. The most difficult part of anything is the day you're starting. So why should we do this? Live Good gives us wealth. We are making good dollars as those of us are driving it. So if you want to make good dollars, you need to check the description in check the link, click the link on the description button and see how we are making good money in Live Good. Watch the 5 minutes video. You can sign up for free and connect with me. Let me guide you. Okay? Now, what are the benefits of walking? What are the benefits of doing exercise? Just one day I told my friend I'm going for workout. I need to be healthy. She said, we need it, or we need to be healthy, because if you are healthy and if you're wealthy and you're not healthy, then you're poor. So guys, we need to be healthy. What are the benefits of walking? Mental clarity. Your brain is clear. Mood swings. It makes you happy. As a business owner, as an entrepreneur, sometimes it's not easy. Sometimes we have our issues, but this helps you overcome the issue. You realize that you're happy, your mood has swing and sometimes it won't help you to get results. As you're thinking clear, you're getting the result. And what are the other benefits of walking? Of course, for those of us that want to lose weight, I want to lose weight. It also happens, can also help you. Then, even your heart, the blood circulation, it helps. Guys, so let's do this. If you're not here in Live Good, you need to click the link in the button, in the description button, to see what we're doing. It's so exciting. It is exciting. I love Live Good. It's a business I fell in love with. I love the fact that all you do is a membership club. All you need is $50. $50 membership fee. That's what you need. Then when you put your $50 membership fee, the next thing you want to do, $50 is for $40 is your affiliate fee, $10 monthly fee. That $10 monthly fee gives you amazing product like this at 75% discount. And Live Good is superb. You don't have to buy. You don't even have to buy. So like we have 3 types of people in Live Good. Those who just want to use the product, they want to just join as a member and be using the product. Those who want to join and just be connecting, they don't want to do anything. They don't want to use the product. And those of us that want to do both. So for me, I'm connecting, I'm using the product, and if you wish to, you can sell the product, but it's not compulsory. Okay, that's why I love Live Good. I love the fact that we have choices. Come in and decide what you want to do. Decide what you want to do. So guys, Live Good is superb. Live Good is ebano. I'm going for my workout now. I want to see you healthy and wealthy. Healthy and wealthy. So see you in my next video.